Woo! That rice.
Get down. He had some scissors.
Delicious.
I'm going with the second one because like yeah, I knew the second one.
Oh my God! Oh no!
I wanna cry. So you guys, I'm gonna show you some pictures while I talk so you won't be so bored of me talking. Okay? So what had happened was I put my glass dish on the stove top and I thought I could heat it up. It ended up exploding. Everything glass everywhere. So I usually use my glass dish to put in the oven to bake cookies, cake, bake macaroni, and it never exploded on me. So I don't know what had happened, what I did wrong, but yeah, all that good food going to waste. I guess I should never put it directly on the burner, but you live and you learn. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I did make some more the very next day and it was bomb. You guys, I was so mad. I really wanted that crab boil. Like, my whole family, we was about to max and relax. So I had to cook something else, whip up something very, very quick, and I got it the next day. Unfortunately, I didn't record. I was just wanted to eat my food in peace. So yes, peace out. So you guys, here's the video again that I'm showing you because I'm trying to get my video to be at least 8 minutes long. You feel me? So with that being said, enjoy this beautiful food. Again, got the broccoli, corn, the potatoes, the shrimp. What else I got in there? Some eggs. Yes. Some rice.
That rice.
Now I'm about to come in with that sauce. Yep, this is the all three seasoning mild sauce. A whole bunch of garlic. Look at that sauce. Looks delicious, don't it? Yes. That looks so good. Little razzle dazzle.
He had some scissors.
Delicious.
I'm going with the second one because like
So that's how it looked when it was all finished. Now I'm about to show y'all some more pictures and videos in my phone. There's some chicken that I made a couple of days ago. This was some crab boil I made a while ago, but it was still on my phone, so I'm posting it. Ooh, that look good. I think I'm gonna give me some crab boil today. My kids is going to love these. Just made this yesterday. Some pasta, shrimp, veggies, and some cornbread on the side. It was so good. This is me making my green juice when I be attempting to go on a diet. Juice is actually very, very, very tasty. Ooh, sweet potatoes. Ooh, I can't eat that hot. With the vegan chicken or plant-based meat. So here's the drink I got from Starbucks. It was really, really tasty. I'm surprised I still got these videos in my phone. But they will be deleted, so that's why I'm just posting them all right now. Try a healthy drink at Starbucks. I would definitely recommend this matcha green tea with low in calories, vanilla. So bomb. Definitely recommend most definitely. I would give it a 10 out of 10. This one chocolate covered strawberries. I know my friend made it, but I don't know if this was given to me or I gave it to someone. I know it was either, if it was for me, it was either from Valentine's or Mother's Day. Something of that nature. Here's some turkeys in the middle of the road just casually walking by. Here's my daughter and her father. Here's my son. Caught him off guard with the picture. I was like, look, Kobe. Here's my daughter, caught her off guard too. Gotcha. Look at the beautiful sunset. I don't know if you guys can see it.
That was not a sunset.
This is a sunset. You don't see the orange in the sky? Yes, beautiful. We had my pizza created our way and it was so delicious.
They'll catch it on fire.
No, that's Secret Service. Somebody in
van.
Yup.
What's a
I hope you guys enjoyed the random videos that I threw together that I absolutely love. Peace.